parallel and perpendicular lines. Given the equation of the line, y equals negative 2/3 x plus 1. I just want to write one parallel. What's true about parallel lines? They're going the same direction, right? That means they have to have the what? The exact same slope. So they have to have the exact same slope. So if this is negative 2/3, and why I can't get that to top up green, I don't know, it makes me mad. So here we go, y'all. If you will see something here, y equals negative 2/3 x. If you write y equals negative 2/3 x, that's a parallel line because that says plus 1, right? You can put any number here you want. You can put plus 1, we can't put plus 1 because the 1's there, that makes sense? But any number but 1, you could even use 1.1, right? I mean, you don't think in terms like that, right? You could put negative 3 million. This doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is what? The slopes have to be what? Exactly what? The same. We got it? The other part can be anything you want. And if you remember perpendicular, perpendicular means it intersects at a 90-degree angle. And I'm going to give you this big hint. So if one of them is negative, to be 90 degrees, the other one's got to be what? Positive to kind of what? Go the other what? Way, right? And it's the reciprocal. I'm supposed to say the negative reciprocal, but I like to say, I'm going to use a little Devo. You know, Devo has that song like whip it real good, right? Flip it real good. You know, I'm just going to flip it real good. And I changed it from a negative to a what? Positive. So on the test, if it's a positive, you'll change it to a what? Negative and flip it. And then all you're going to do is the same thing. It doesn't matter what number you write here. You can even use 1 here because it's perpendicular. Does that make sense? Or you don't have to put any number. Or you can put negative 3 million if you want. You know what I'm saying? You can even put down plus e. You know, one of those like weird numbers. You know what I'm saying? Or pi. It would still be correct. But you have to have what? The reciprocal, you know what I'm saying? Flip there.